Well, welcome back to the SSL Family Dad channel. Quick update video today on one of my most, I don't know, the most viewer interest I've had on anything that's gone on around here, and it's this tractor saga. Man, that thing has been such a core part of this operation here, this homestead, and you know, it was the first tractor that I've owned, and so it's been an important piece of equipment around here, and so I understand it's important to me as it is to you guys. But I wanted to give you guys an update, probably the final update on this tractor. And I got some bad news for you guys, bad news for myself. I talked with Dennis, who is the guy that was going to repair it here, a neighbor of ours. And I talked with him, and he had not had a chance to look into it, but he did have an idea of what the cost would be. And so he had been looking up some part prices and some other things for that tractor. And basically what it ended up being was, he was going to end up probably having to charge about $4,000 to repair the tractor. He said that, you know, he listened to it and it's going to need a full rebuild. It's probably got some, it burned to oil so bad I had to put so much oil in the thing all the time that, you know, it burned about as much oil as gas. So I know there was, you know, slop in the pistons. It needed to be cleaned out and probably sleeved, and it just needed a bunch of work. All the fluids need to be changed. That's like $500 right there just to change the fluids, because once you split it apart, you gotta, you know, put new fluids in everything, and who knows what else you uncover as you get into it and all that. So the bottom line, with all of his labor and all the parts, that's what he was going to charge. Now, that's the thing with old equipment, you know, if you can do it yourself, if you can take it apart and repair it and manage those kinds of things yourself, I could have probably done the repair myself for about $1,500, $2,000 or less, in just parts and my own time. But for him, obviously, he's running a business, and that's what he does, and he needs to charge his labor, and it's a lot of labor. It takes a lot of equipment, a lot of time to do that project. So here's where we're at. It is it's probably going to stay over there. I only paid I think I paid $4,300 for that tractor, maybe 45, I can't remember. I think I talked him down a couple $100. It's not worth it to me to spend $4,000. I can just go buy another one. I can just go buy another used tractor that runs and not have to deal with that issue. And you know, it's a hard decision. You know, do I want to spend, you know, put $4,000 into a tractor and then get it back and have a rebuilt tractor? But then there's still other things, you know, that can go wrong with it. There's still other things. There's, you know, PTO doesn't always work right. There's other things that, you know, hydraulic issues and leaks, and then so you end up getting into this where it's just too much for me. There's also some news that some big news, probably the biggest news that we've ever shared with you guys. We're going to be sharing with you guys soon, and that also affects my decision. So you'll have to wait for that later this week, probably early next week. But the tractor is I'm gonna sell it to him. I've talked to him about it. I think that I think I've worked on the price enough for him, you know, sell it to him and then give him the bucket and a few other spare parts and things I have around here. Hopefully he'll accept that, and I can get a little bit of return out of it and put that towards something else, a new tractor or a new to me tractor, whether it be used or not, I don't know. So I'm back to square one. I'm back to where I started, which is frustrating after all this time, but I've made do without it. The hay situation that we had here actually worked out to my benefit. Having that partnership with Mark, who came in and cut the hay, was huge for us. And I may actually, you know, I would prefer to do that down the road than even cut it myself, to be honest with you. As far as business expenses go and everything, it really worked out well. So having that size tractor, you know, I could end up getting something smaller. I could end up doing something different. So I'll let you guys know what happens with that, but big news coming up here soon. Big news. And you guys are gonna, I don't know, some of you guys might love it, some of you guys might not. Lots to tell you guys. There's lots of secrets going on around the farm. You've noticed not a lot of videos coming out over the recent past few weeks. There's a good reason for that, and I'll let you guys in on the secret here soon as well. So let me know what you guys think about the tractor. I don't know, maybe I'm making a bad decision. Maybe I should put the money and get it fixed. Maybe I should not. You know, what do you guys think? I'd love to hear from you guys. As always, just a quick update today, and more videos coming out later this week. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. So of course, subscribe if this is your first time here. you have no idea what I'm talking about, but go back and watch some of the other tractor videos and find out what happened, I guess. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.